Welcome back to Duckman Gaming. Today we're back here with another Hunter Call the Wild video. And today we are hunting every animal on the Savannah map. So I believe there are Cape Buffalo, Eurasian Widgeon, Gemsbok, what else? Sidestrap Jackal, Lesser Kudu, Lion, striped hare, springbok, warthog, and wildebeest, I'm pretty sure. So the highest class is 9 for Cape Buffalo, so I'll just clear inventory. And now let's see, we will get the 300. What else? We could get, I'll get the M1 Grand. Where's this? I have that. Where is the 22-250? Right, should be right here somewhere. 22-250. Alright. Now, what I normally do is I get the ammo first, so probably do that, and then we should have a shotgun with me for the Eurasian Widgeon. Where is it? Somewhere's right here. Yeah, right there. Alright, so I'll get the ammo, 22-250. What else did I get? 308, 300. What else did I get? Oh, shotgun. That's what I need. Oh, bird. What is the difference? Oh, buckshot. Take the buckshot and the bird shot. And the slugs. Why not? And then, okay, I don't really use the Argus. I've been taking long shots. I don't really need it anymore. Get the shotgun scope. And then, can this? Nope. Is this? Nope. Where's the duck call? Eurasian teal, Eurasian widgeon. There we go. What else? There was one caller. Alright. Links. So I definitely do want that. Oh no, I forgot. Yeah, I forgot about that. All we need is that. But for duck calls, I'll keep that. So I'll get rid of that, but I'm gonna keep the duck call, the Eurasian duck call. Then we'll get some duck decoys. Actually, I don't think I have any. We'll be fine without them. So now we just need the binos. We'll get scent eliminator. Yeah, that's about it. Put the M1 Grand right there. 22-250. Dude, why isn't that working? Put that there. That should be our loadout. I will actually, what class is the 22-250? Alright, 2 to 3. So we have 1, 2 to 3, 4. Yeah. Alright, so we got the whole loadout. And now I think I'll go for springbok. I think I'll go for springbok right now. No, they probably left. Yeah, I'll go to that zone. Go to that zone for some springbok. So I'll see you when I get there. Guess we don't have to go that far. There's a springbok right here. can't tell which direction it is, but I think I'm gonna shoot it with the 22-250. Alright, so it's facing my way. Can probably hit the shot from right there. I think that was a little too... Oh, that was a drop. Alright, well, we'll go pick it up. And it's down. So right there was the second. Oh, headshot. Alright, so we have springback checked off. And now what else? Let's see. What can we hunt right now? Now I know warthogs are over in this area, but I don't know what time. But I think I might be able to go for some buffalo. Yeah, by the time I get down there, I can go for some buffalo. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Is I'll go for some buffalo. No, I'll go for warthogs. I'll save buffalo for the last animal. So I'll go try and find some warthogs. Warthog way down there drinking. So what class are they for? I just heard one squealing, I think. Alright, so hopefully... Oh, there's a few of them. Alright, which one's the biggest? So you're most likely the biggest. They both weigh the same, so I'll take this one. So aim for 300 and bam. Nope. Oh, yeah. Maybe I can get this one. Oh, I didn't hit it. Dang it. Alright, well, hopefully warthogs are checked off the list, so we'll go get it. And now, while I'm going to get it, I will talk about the new map. So I'm a few days late to this. I'm sure most of you already know, but the new map, it's Nepal, and it's called Sundar Patan or something like that. And there are gonna be tigers, like I talked about that in my last video, and there are gonna be tigers, and the release day is June 18th. Yeah, June 18th. So, and then probably the 19th, I will. So we got warthogs checked. Oh, I'm moving. Got warthogs checked off the list. But anyways, I probably will have a video posted on the morning. I will either have a video posted on the 19th or the 20th about the new map. So I will have a video posted about that either on the 19th or the 20th. So, and now that we have warthogs checked off, I think I'm gonna go hunt some ducks maybe. Dang it, lions aren't drinking. Wildebeests are eating though. Alright, so actually no, we'll go for the side striped jackalope first. So yeah, we'll go for that, because that will probably be one of the hardest because it's smaller game. They're class 2, so I'll have to use the 22-250. That'll be pretty hard because they're so small. So, see when I get over there. Well, I just found a wildebeest, but no sign of any jackalopes. Don't see any. So I think I'll just take out this wildebeest before it gets too far. So, put a few bullets in him. Shoot him again. Alright, I did hear ducks, but I think those ducks are gone. They are definitely gone. Now, I don't see any jackalopes. So, it's kind of weird. So, hopefully we can find this wildebeest. Well, I'm sure we can find it with red, so go track the wildebeest down. Okay, so I just lost the footage of it, and a lot of you guys, because in a bunch of my videos I always say I lose the footage. It's because I'm on a PlayStation, and if you just press the button, then it stops the video and doesn't save it. So yeah, but I am stalking a lion, because there's a lion right up here. Trying to get a lion. Oh, well, there's one. It's a 5 medium. Maybe I can find different lion. No, that's a 2. He's perfectly broadside. I think I gotta take the shot. I gotta take the shot. And I don't want to screw this up because it takes forever to sink and track them and everything. I might be able to. That female. Oh, don't you start doing that, please. No! Laying down thing. I think he's drinking. Oh, that one was close. There we go. That should have. Yeah, that was a lawn. Oh, I almost got a second shot on it. Oh, and it's dead. No way. I might be able to get this. I think I'm gonna be able to get this one. Maybe headshot it. No, horrible shot. Yeah. That was a horrible shot. I feel like the AR 300 is a lot more quiet than like any other gun. Like, listen, I just feel like it's a lot more quiet. That sounds so much more quiet versus the M1 Grand. That's loud. The 22-250. Find the lion. That's very loud. Even the shotguns are loud. I just feel like the 300 is like the quietest gun in the game, but I don't think it does anything. It sounds like it's the quietest gun in the game. I doubt it does anything, but by the sounds of it. Make sure to comment down below on what your thoughts are, and if you know if it is quieter and everything. So now, if we can find this lion, it should be right there somewheres. Then all we gotta do is Eurasian widgeon. What else? Cape buffalo and scrub hare, or not scrub hare, something like that. I've been in the savannah too long. Any lions over there? Nope. Oh, the lion is dead, and it's right there. That's awesome. So now Lions are checked off the list. Let's go. That was an awesome shot. That's a lot of penetration. I don't know. A lot of people think, I've seen videos before, a lot of people think that the 300 AR does less. It does less penetration than the AR 300. I don't know. Comment down below what your thoughts are about it. Oh, what is right here? Cape Buffalo. So yes, definitely. I know this lake. I definitely want to go there. Because we can get some Eurasian widgeon there. Sorry about that. We can get some Eurasian widgeon. And then possibly Cape. But I think I'm going to save Cape for last. Oh, we need Gemsbach too. That's what we need. So yeah. Hopefully we can find some Eurasian widgeon here. Was the Ron Lake. Sorry about that. You probably hear that in the background of literally every single one of my videos. They're my parakeets, so. Now I do have a tripod down here. And there is Cape Buffalo. I do have a few Cape Buffalo zones here, but they're not sleeping here. And I know I have a Gemsbach one, yeah. So I'll change the time, and then we should have Gemsbach right then and there. And then what else? Actually, yeah, what is that? Did I build that or something? That is what I'll do, is I will change the time to 7. Ooh. That could be a possibility there. There is ducks. But I think I'm gonna wait and I think I'm gonna kill the striped hare or whatever, and what is that? Instead of anything else, because that is probably gonna be the hardest one to get, so I can stock up on it. Oof, $1,000. We've definitely made that money though. So I'll go 7 o'clock. Have to go AFK before I switch time for Buffalo. Running low on money. Alright. What did I change it to? Oh, I was about to say, don't tell me I changed it to 17 o'clock. Alright. Whoa. Oh no, wait. Alright, so right there should be some little bunnies. Now, is there any Gemsbach? I do not see any Gemsbach. And that is probably why. So I'll mark this. Now hopefully I can get up there. So I guess I'll see you when I get there. Perfect, there's side striped jackals right here. Now I think I'm gonna take the shot right there. Get the 22-250 out. And then I think I'm just gonna take the shot right here and there. Or whatever. I think I gotta take the shot. I have to take the shot, dude. I just have to. Come on, can I get a vital? Alright, I gotta get my heart back. My heart rate back. Oh! Shoot! Oh! No, well, it's gonna die, hopefully. Hopefully it'll die. the rabbits are probably going to be the hardest animals to get. Those will probably be the hardest ones to get. And all I need now is Gemsbach and Eurasian Widgeon and Cape. Pretty sure that's all the animals that I gotta get, so hopefully we can get that done pretty soon. Yes, it's down. Wait, what is that? Oh, that's a lion. Oh, it's a glitch lion. I mean, hey, free money is free money, so I will not. What is that? What was that call from? Free money is free money, so well, that wasn't a very good shot. But what I am excited about is that lion. It was just glitched there. So, yeah. What the heck? Ooh, Gemsbach. I wish that hill wasn't there, man. Hopefully I can rotate around him. But first, I want to get this lion, so. And there we go. Here's the lion. I have a call on right now for the. Dude, why did he just get up and sprint? For the Gemsbach. But I don't think that we're getting that Gemsbach, so. I'll just pick the collar up, so. And then we'll head down to the lake and hopefully get some ducks. Right there. That is the Gemsbach. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, he's coming right in. He is coming right in. I think I'm gonna take that shot. I can't take that shot. Come on, man. Just come right over that hill so I can take that shot. If he comes right over that hill and gives me a broadside, oh, come on, stop. There we go. That's all I needed. That's all I needed, buddy. He's down, buddy. That is all I needed. So now, Gemsbach checked off the list. So now all that it is Eurasian Widgeon, whatever the rabbit is, another one, and then the rabbit, buffalo, and Eurasian Widgeon. That's it. Holy crap. Holy crap, it's a pack of them. Only a few of them though. So here's the Gemsbach. What do you mean improper ammo? Oh, I remember. In the new update, they took their class down. Oh, I remember now. Yeah. In the latest update, they changed a bunch of classes around and they took the class down. So, yeah. Okay, so we're down at the pond. So now basically it's a waiting game for the ducks to come in. It's basically a waiting game, so yeah. We got some ducks coming in. Yeah, buddy. Alright, so they just gotta land now. So now, I guess it's another waiting game. I think they're landed. Now I just gotta find them. Now, where are those ducks? I think they flew away. Yeah. So I guess we gotta wait for more ducks now. Still awaiting game. I can make up for this money. Now 500 yards. Alright, so over there. So I guess I just have to go hiking. Yay, fun. Okay, well, I'm over here, but there's no buffalo. Oh, this is totally not worth it. Totally not worth it. So I guess here's another time lapse. Well, I just spotted a Cape buffalo, so that's pretty good. So I'm recording this 2 days after the previous footage, so I'm where did it go? Pretty sure all we need left is Cape buffalo, a rabbit, and a duck. Yeah, that's all we need. Pretty sure that's all we need. Now, where is this? Let me mark it. So, oof. Okay. So what? You know what? What do I have? Let's try and kill this thing with some buckshot. Buckshot and a shotgun. Let's just try to kill it with the shotgun. Now, how far away is it? Alright, so it's pretty close. I need to get a shot on it at least so it gets aggressive, so hopefully we can get up there quick. And there is the buffalo. So it's 130 some yards. Now I could just shoot it with slugs. Ooh, I might have to shoot it with slugs. Well, at least I'm shooting it with a shotgun. That's not even rated for it. I don't even. Ooh, yeah, 164. I should be able to hit the shot. Now, I feel like it'd be pretty interesting to see if I could shoot. I don't like this, man. Because it's not going to penetrate. Oof. Come on, if we can just get broadside. Oh, shoot. He's alarmed. Don't tell me he fled. He fled, didn't he? Yeah, he fled. Oh my gosh, he did not flee, but I just made him flee. Well, I guess we gotta go find him somewhere else. Go find a different one. Now, I'm pretty sure there's a zone. Is that right at the river, though? No, that's not right at the river. So I'll go over there. No, because I don't really want to spend another $2,500 to sleep again, so yeah. So I'm gonna have to go over there now. So then I don't have to spend another $2,400 to sleep again. I don't know why that's a thing. $2,400 or $2,500 just to sleep. That's absurd. Well, I guess I'll see you when I get there. Well, these are the buffalo that I've been looking for. There's a whole pack of them. Now there's that 7 that I kinda want. But I think I want to see if I can shoot them with the slugs. I could, I guess, see how many. I mean, can save that for another video, but I feel like that'd be pretty interesting. How many bullets does it take the 22-250 to kill a buffalo? Comment down below if you think I should do a video about that. But yeah, we can definitely hit that with the slugs. Oh, I gotta get the slugs in it. Cause I'm not. And then if it does go aggressive, then I definitely will shoot it with buckshot. But here we go. No, why is it not aggressive? Come on, shoot. Don't let it escape. Never. Shoot. No! It's escaping. Now that that's finished, I am going to go hunt some ducks. So hopefully the ducks don't spook again and then I give up. So all I have is rabbits and ducks left. That's all I have left, but I'm not sure where I could find a rabbit. There are ducks. I just heard quacking a few seconds ago. Oh, they're coming. Oh, they're right there. Huh. I don't think they're landing though, so I'll go over, set my Fox Pro up, and then call some ducks in. I just got a mating call from a duck. Ooh, that was a wicked close. I guess it could have been the caller. So, oh, no, I don't think that's the caller. Oh, there's ducks right there. Those guys are definitely landing, so. No, wrong gun. So there's a duck right there. It's going straight to the caller. Oh, there's a duck. Ooh, those are probably the two closest, so I'll see if I can get, oh, wrong button. Oh, those guys are wicked close. So see if I can pop them both off. Oh. Can I hit any? Where are they? Hey, at least I got the duck. So, get the duck. We'll pick the caller up. So. And then, I'm not sure if I want to do rabbits. Like, a rabbit is a rabbit. Like, who hunts rabbits, especially in this map? Comment down below if you hunt rabbits on this map, but I just don't think. Was I using buckshot? I was using buckshot, dude. But a rabbit is a rabbit, so see what I'm saying? Like, who hunts rabbits on this map? Obviously not me. I barely hunt rabbits on any map. I hunt waterfowl more than anything in this game. So that will probably wrap it up for this video. And thanks for watching, and make sure to check out my TikTok, Duckman Gaming, my real life TikTok, Ty the Duckman, and then make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, I thought that was some deer running at me, but thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.